Okay guys, we're back. We're gonna paint the bumper of the first coat. We'll see how it goes, and hopefully we can paint the whole thing today, and also underneath the frame. So stay tuned and get a video.
I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart.
So far so good.
Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Give me your love. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Give me your love. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Give me your love. Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now. Water's getting deep now. Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah. Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now. Water's getting deep now. Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let
we wait for it to dry, and then we'll put another coat on, and then I wanted to put that rubberized thing on, but as you can see, it is this needs to warm not by a lot, but I can apply this here. What? Got this. Nice to paint it. How many of you would do this? How many of you just don't care about it, if it's rusty or not? Ideally, it would be to paint the entire frame, to clean it and paint it and preserve it. But that's a lot of work. We can do it piece by piece. Okay, so thank you for watching. That's it for now. We're gonna let this bumper dry out before we can do anything else. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Peace out. And same on this side. When I take off the rims for the brake change, we will paint it over as well. Also, fun fact, remember when I said I used to have another one of those, but in black? Yeah. So the other day I was at Pick and Pull looking for this third row seat, and I found my old Cadillac on Pick and Pull, already torn apart. So I don't know what happened to that car, but it was there. Kind of sad to see it on Pick and Pull, but it is what it is. I have some footage of it. I'll post it in the video so you guys can see some of it.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that kids walk